part of the specification of this course is to include headings, bold, underline, and bullet and number lists. So we'll start now and we'll look at headings. To insert headings, you simply put the H tag around the heading. Now there are 6 different heading types, and H1 is the biggest heading, and H6 is the smallest heading. So let's say I want to add a heading to this, a main heading, and the main heading is going to be the history of the internet. So I'm going to put my H1 tag around this, and I'm going to call it the history of the internet. H1. So you can see I've opened my H1 tag and closed it. Now that's going to be my main heading, but this particular first paragraph is itself going to have maybe a H3 style subheading, and this is going to be the early years. And then I'm going to do another one as time progressed. And again, H3. Now, I hope you've noticed that I've made a mistake. So I didn't actually close the H3, and I didn't actually close the H3 there. So now that's done. Okay, so you have to put headings in. So that's how you do your headings. Now let's say I want to highlight all the dates. So let's say I want to bold 1950s. While you can do a tag called B for bold, it's actually not recommended. It's actually that using the B tag is as a last resort. So what you really should do is use the tag, the EM tag for emphasis, or strong, representing strong importance. So let's say I want to do an emphasis here. So I'm going to open my emphasis, and I only want 1950s to be bolded or made stronger or to look darker on the screen. So EM and close it. So that's the bold tag. If I'm doing that for every date, as I said I would, I'll do it again. So just as a bit of practice. And close it. Okay, now I can also use the strong code. So let's say I wanted to make that word apranet strong as a strong code. I use strong and I close the strong tag. Okay, and again, let's say I want TCP network to be strong. And I will again close the strong. Okay, so that is how to do headings and how to do bolding, and 2 ways of doing bolding.